The VXSet 2.7 release for EDM brings the ability to configure a trash bin that will retain deleted information. This allows an administrator the ability to restore previously deleted files, folders, or entire projects. To use the trash bin, an administrator must first configure it in the EDM application under Settings, EDM Design. Once configured, a trash bin section is shown, and the system starts to use the trash bin during project folder or file deletion. Within the trash bin, the administrator can sort, search, restore, or delete objects. Any object deleted from the trash bin is permanently deleted. To programmatically delete data from the trash bin, administrators can use the EDM project tool. When restoring a folder or file, the original parent project must exist. If a project or folder is restored, all child objects that were removed will also be restored. All historical information concerning the deletion and restoration of objects are stored within EDM and is available using the Show History command.